Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand, and this is the fourth video, the motivational video. Now again I am saying I would recommend you to watch all the fourth video in the hierarchy wise. The video number 1 was how can you be efficient in exams. The video number 2 was how can I retain better for my exams. Video number 3 was my exam is just after 1 week. Now what strategy or what preparation chart should I follow for my exam. And this is the video number 4, a very small video, how to handle breakups during exam. This has happened to all of us. The breakups could be parental breakup, could be someone expired in family, could be emotional breakdown, could be relationship problems. So I have my exams are in 2 weeks and recently I had a breakup and I'm really feeling so low. I don't know what to do. Now please tell me what to do. So most importantly for all of us who have been in the same boat, the answer is everyone has breakups. You know that. You, me, all of us at some point of time had, are having or will be having emotional breakdowns. So point number 1, we all have breakups, and to be frank, what is the treatment for this? So the answer is talk to someone. There are good and bad times in life. Good times will also come and bad times will definitely come. And it is a bad time will teach us how to be more good and more amazing. So don't feel bad, don't say that I don't want any negative thing in my life, I don't want the bad times to come in my life. Bad time will come, is coming and will be coming. You should be prepared for that. Number 1, talk to someone. That is the first point. Because when you start talking, it becomes better. Whatever is there in your heart, your exam is very near. After 2 weeks my exam is there and I just recently had a breakup. Now what to do? Should I cry? What to do? So number 1, talk to someone. That is what I did. That is what we should do. Once you talk to a close friend, could be a parents, could be a best friend, could be cousins, could be anyone. Once you talk and pour your heart out and cry properly, then half of the stress relieves out. Because your mind has to empty, and then your studies, and then everything will come. So good and bad times is like a wave, it will come. Now it's your job, you want to remove the bad time as fast as possible, or you want to drag it for weeks and then your exam is coming and then you are gone. So number 1, talk to someone and try to pour your heart out and just tell it. That is one way. Second important thing, how to have parental breakup. My father expired, now what to do? How should I study? I don't know, I am just so lost in life. So again, very important, inspiration, motivation. We need to have some element of hypothetical or physical mental inspiration in our life. A lot of people, they love Virat Kohli. So you know that when he was 18 years old, our Virat Kohli, and he was having this Ranji Trophy match for Delhi, and that one day prior his father expired, and still he played the match, still he won, and still he is doing amazing. So when he can do, anyone can do, and we all can do. So most importantly, I am just telling you an example that he also did and anyone can do. So parental breakups or emotional and mental breakups, all of us are having. You have to hold yourself, you have to collect your pieces, you have to talk to someone, you have to think some inspiration, some motivation, something you have to think for your life and start to move on. Again, we have this Yuvraj Singh. A lot of people have this fan of this person who is in the Indian cricket team. He also was having a cancerous tumor in the left lung. He also has gone for radio and chemotherapy, and again he's back. So means we all can do it. Anyone can do it. There is nothing impossible. You know that. And again, a very old saying, impossible also is saying I am possible. So all I'm trying to say is try to figure out your motivation. Try to talk to someone who makes you feel better. Now also I had some students, they called yesterday, sir, I'm facing this problem. I had some relationship issue. I'm trying my best to figure it out. I will start studying. I said, hello, talk to someone. First you call someone whom you love the most and tell everything what is in your mind. Try to empty it out and then you start. You will feel good. And you know that this little stress only will make you shine. In my life also personally, all the bad part which has happened, that has made me good. Like there is a very old saying that people who hate me motivate me. So people who actually hate me or the stress or the negative parts in my life, that only has motivated me. That is what I'm trying to say. So, and that will really help you. That's it. And your future depends on what you do today. Your future depends on what you do today, and your today has already started. So you better do something. So thank you very much, and that's it.